Where are they? Oh, there go. Oh, that's a redwing. Oh yeah, I see them. Actually, they're hanging out with the redwing over there. Yeah, they're hanging out with the redwing for some reason.
Perfectly in the trees.
Oh, is it flashing? Yeah, good thing. Yeah, it's because it's dark out here. There were some over here, weren't there?
Nope, one's there, but one round.
Well, let's head up to the bridge. Hey, there's somebody walking in the field way over there. That's homo sapien in their natural environment over there. Actually, I'd say that's probably not their natural environment. Oh, couple of mourning doves. Oh, they're there. There's a whole bunch of birds in this in this brush.
What is that?
It's a little guy, right?
Yep, it's crawling
Here, let me see if I can get in on him here.
right there.
Where? Do you see it? Can you play it on the screen? There's him right there. Right there?
Mm-hmm.
You sure that's him? Yeah, I think that looks like a bird.